Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this additional of the newspaper of Friday, March the 5th, 2021. Yes, and actually it's today Monday, March the 8th, but in the puzzle of today on Monday there is no additional. So I've decided to continue with the puzzles of Friday because the Saturday's newspaper I have already solved the puzzles. So this edition is the Friday edition, and this will be number 2440. All right, 2440. Before I start, I always count the printed digits: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question is, can we see here the single box or single boxes? I see here a single box. The single boxes are always a 1. Here also a single box. Do we have dual boxes? I see here dual box. One dual box, the 1 and the 2 it contains. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and 2 goes there. Triple box, I see here a triple box. 1, 2 are already filled in, so this number should be a 3. Do we have more triple boxes? No. Quadra box. I see here a quadra box in an L shape. And the quadra box, remember, this box is always a 5. Because if I place a 1, 2, 3, or 4, it cannot be, because in one of these 4 boxes, I need a 1, 2, 3, or a 4. So this box cannot be a one of those numbers, so it must be a 5. Alright, then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes. For example, we have here the T shape, and this is rotated 180 degrees. The T shape, alright, the T shape or T constriction, or yeah. This box has the same number as that box. Alright, so let me draw those boxes. Okay, this box has the same number as that box. Alright, remember this. Okay, here we have a T shape. This box has the same number as that box, so this should be a 2. Alright, this box has the same number as that box. Okay, do we have more? Here again, a T shape. This box has the same number as that box, so this should be a 1. Alright, and this box has the same number as that box. Alright, then the following figure or shape, the L shape. Yes, the L shape. This box has the same number as that box, so this should be a 3. Okay, so this box, same number as that box. Okay, do we have more L shapes? No, only 1. Then this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box, so it's a 1. Alright, so this box, same number as that box. Okay, and this is rotated 90 degrees, so this box has the same number as that box. Okay, and this is also the same shape. This box has the same number as that box, so this should be a 3. Okay, do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then this kind of shape, yes. This box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. Okay, you have more other shapes. Another L shape. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, this is rotated. We have this kind of L shape, yes. So we can start now. Yes, let's get started. Alright. So this is a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, so this should be a 2. Alright. And this box is connected with that box with the T connection, so this should be a 2. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Alright. So, and this box is connected with that box, so this should be also a 5. Alright. 2 boxes left, 2, 3, 5. So the 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Let me mark those. 1 and the 4. Same like here. The 1 and the 4 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Well, this box is connected with that box, so it must be also 1 and a 4. Well, I cannot place a 4 here because we have a 4 here. So this should be a 1. And this box is connected with that box, so this should be a 1. 1 box left should be a 4. In this area now we have a 4 there, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. This box should be a 4, and this should be a 1. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for 3 should be there. 2 boxes left. 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 5. Here also 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 3 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. We have a double 4 here. I need a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So here cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. But we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This box should be a 4. Alright. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be 4 anymore. These 2 boxes could be a 4. Alright. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. This box cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes in those 2 boxes together with the 4 as a pair. 3 and a 4. So this quarter box, 1 digit left, should be a 2. Alright. Then now we have a 2 there. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5, cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be in one of those 2 boxes. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 5. I have a double 5 here. I need a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And this box is connected with that box. So it should be a 5. Alright. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and 3. Alright. Those two boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Alright. Yeah. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. And this box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 4 and a 1 in this T construction. Let me mark those. 4 and a 1, okay. So we have the 3 and the 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 and the 2 cannot be in these 2 boxes. The 3 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. So this should be a 2. 1 box left in this area for the number 3. Alright, 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Let me mark those. I cannot fill this yet. 1 and 4. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. So these 3 boxes surround the 2. Cannot be a 2. We have a 2 here. Here we have also a 2. So this box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now we have 2 boxes left. The 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5 in this area. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 3 goes there. Alright. 4 and a 1 we have here. Now we have a 1 there. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. And a 4 goes there. Alright. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So what is the other number in this L-shape area? The number 5 is missing. Alright. I think this box should be a 1 because it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. So definitely a 1. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and 3. That means that this box cannot be a 3 because I need a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 4. Alright. And this should be a 3. Alright. Now we have a 4 there. So this box cannot be 4 anymore. This box should be a 4. Alright. And this box should be a 5. Alright. 2 and a 3. We have a 3 there. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright, finish in 40 minutes. Alright, great Tectonic. Great Suguru in Japanese. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. See you on Tuesday. Yes, because today is Monday. So see you tomorrow on Tuesday. Have a great day. See you then. Bye bye for now.